Hey, welcome to Paddle & Hike. Today we're hiking the Alfred-Kelly Reserve. This reserve is in Prevost, in the Laurentian, Quebec. It's an approximately 15 kilometers hike, different trails that you can go. It's not too high. You can come with kids. Dogs are allowed. There's a lake. There's a lot of things to do, and it's not far. It's around less than an hour from Montreal. So. I had to pick a school day. There's like 100 kids here. They're just sliding everywhere, running everywhere, screaming. Not my ideal hike, sadly, but it's fine. I'll let them just run ahead. That's it. I don't mind that they're here, but you know, they don't make it enjoyable. Screaming and running and everything, sadly. That is funny. I remember this was one of my first hike, probably my first hike, years ago. I was out of shape, I was overweight, and this trail was so difficult for me. And it is not at all. That's an easy trail. So easy. I used to find this so hard, but losing over 40 pounds and getting into hiking and climbing Adirondacks and stuff like that, this is nothing. It's pretty, it's beautiful, it's a nice hike, but it's not a difficult hike. The temperature here are getting warmer. Next week it's gonna be around 13 degrees Celsius, so that's pretty good. Camping soon. Around 15 degrees Celsius, I don't mind any temperature, but 15 degrees Celsius is great for camping, for my opinion. The trail is really nice. There's no ice, not at all. It's just damp snow, so easy to walk. You don't need crampons, you don't need snowshoes. It's a popular trail, so a lot of people walk here. So everything is damped pretty well. Guess the kids went really fast because they were running, because I haven't seen them again. Which is which is pretty cool. So we went around the lake, and now we're gonna climb to get to the view. There's one main view here that you can see the lake, which is the prettiest view that you can have here. It's not too high, but it's nice. This is awesome. The sun is coming out, so I might have sun on top, which would be really nice. Ow! Let's talk about the feeding. I know some people don't like that. I understand in January, February. At the moment, a lot of things are out. They have food, they can find food, everything is melting. I don't see it as a big problem because I don't feed them much. I give them a little bit. If it would be like December, January, like full winter, everything is frozen, I wouldn't do it, but March, April, and up, I don't see a big issue, and I'm not doing it all the time. It just happened that I had trail mix on me, and I just gave them some. So don't go too crazy on me for that. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any future video. Thanks for watching.